Well, after a very active week, things are going to quiet down for us as we head into the overnight and into the weekend just in time, right? But it looks like things are going to be cool for us, especially as we go into Saturday, as another wave of Arctic air is pushing it behind the system that went through yesterday. And we do still have lake effect snows starting to come down in some locations. We'll notice that as we do head into the overnight, winds will start to come in from the southwest, and that will start to push a lot of this moisture back over Lake Superior. Right now, we are at 1 degree west-southwest winds at 16 miles per hour, so the Arctic air, it is still here. And temperatures throughout the rest of the region, they are cool as well. Currently at 3 degrees in Ontonagon, while below 0 in Ironwood at 2 below, 1 in Crystal Falls at 3 in Lawrence, 4 in Houghton, and off to the east, more of the middle single digits at 4, municipal lower single digits here in Escanaba at 3 and at 1 degree in Ishpeming. Pretty chilly out there. Make sure you do have your jackets before you head out. And winds, they're going to make it feel even colder for you. Currently at 23 in Houghton, here in Ironwood at 21 miles per hour, 15 in Iron Mountain, and at 20 in Escanaba. And throughout the rest of the state, well, that cooler air is in the UP, and also as you go farther south, 7 in Gaylord at 11, and Traverse City at 16 farther south in Flint. And look at wind chills right now, 13 below in Gaylord, 20 below in Iron Mountain, and at 19 below in Marquette. But it looks like the big winner on this map, or a loser, however way you want to look at it, it's going to be in Ironwood at 27 degrees below 0. And for that reason, we do have a wind chill advisory still in effect. We'll take a look at that coming up here in the next graphic. But spotty lake effect snows as we head into the evening, but that should start to head out of here as we head into Saturday. And we're going to be looking out for more sunshine on the way, as a lot of that moisture will start to leave out of the region, and we'll have patchy sunshine, especially during the latter portions of the afternoon. But warming up as we head closer to Sunday, as it looks like a lot of us will make our way back into the mid and upper teens. And by next week, get ready for the 20s. That will seem like a heat wave, especially in comparison to what we have had to deal with. But here's our watches and warnings graphic. Not quite as colorful as we saw earlier this week, but we do still have a lake effect snow advisory for Alger County, northern Schoolcraft County, over into Houghton County, northern Houghton County, as it looks like right now, and in Ontonagon County until 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. An additional 2 to 4 inches can be expected on top of what we already have seen. And for the rest of the viewing area, wind chill advisory in effect until 11 a.m. tomorrow. So watch out for wind chills that could be between -20, maybe -30 degrees below 0. But as we take a look at our setup, area of high pressure really starting to push in that cooler air, and that's that Arctic blast that we did see work his way in throughout the day today. And by tomorrow, it will still be in place. So another chilly day for us, but not quite as harsh an Arctic air mass as what we have seen earlier this week. Let's take a look now at your Futurecast model. The skies do begin to clear out as we head into our Saturday, as the moisture is now well off to our north. We'll see that as we go throughout the rest of Saturday and going into Saturday night. Another chilly night with partly cloudy skies, and it looks like we do remain mostly snow-free throughout the weekend, and then possibly another chance of light snow getting closer to Monday. For tonight, -16 degrees. Brutally cold out there. If you don't have to go outside, just don't do it. West winds at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Your Saturday, cold with late sun, west-southwest winds at 10 to 20, and temperatures will be in the lower teens and the upper single digits in Ontonagon at 8 degrees for you, 10 in Crystal Falls, 12 in Lawrence, and at 10 in Escanaba, 13 in Munising, and 9 for us here in Marquette. Now your 7-day forecast back in the teens by Sunday, and we'll stay in the teens all the way through Tuesday with a slight chance of flurries on Monday. But more sunshine over the next few days, so a lot less active for us. And then we'll be looking out for maybe more 20s by next Thursday and Friday.